Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel. It's 14 February, that means it's Valentine's Day. So, to celebrate this day, I'm making a Valentine's card that you can gift to your loved ones. This card was surprisingly easy to make and it looks gorgeous. Also, it's low-key kinda a pop-up card too. So, without wasting another second, let's start making this card. For this card, you need a black paper with the length of 28 cm and the width of 14 cm. Now draw lines at 7 and 21 cm. Fold on the marks and leave it for a while. Now glue on a 13 by 13 cm paper on the middle space after the marks are made. Then you also need two other white papers of 13 by 6 centimeters. Glue these on the remaining spaces. I'm using a glue stick. You can use any other glue you like. Let it dry for a few minutes. After that, you need two strips of paper. Remember to take a stable black sheet of paper that will be able to carry the weight of the pink papers we will attach later. The measurement of the paper is 16 by 3 cm. Make solid lines on 3 cm, 11 cm and 14 cm. Also, don't forget to draw another line at 5 cm. Now fold at all the lines except for the dotted one, as we will only use this as a reference. Do the same with the other strip. Now you need two pink papers of 7 by 7 cm. Decorate it as you want while writing sweet notes. I wanted to draw pink hearts with a slightly dark marker. Also, I decided to do some simple calligraphy, though I'm not very good at it. Now glue it in the middle space between 5 cm and 11 cm. Now glue this on the two sides of the card. Be careful while doing this step because once you've attached it, you can't undo it and you might do it wrong. Lastly, close the card and glue on 2 small paper hearts. It would prevent the card from opening up, and also it looks adorable. And I finished making the card. It looks super adorable and also was easy to make, and to make it, it only took me even less than 30 minutes. I highly recommend making this card as Valentine's Day is tomorrow. Thanks for staying with me till now. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell button so that you'd never miss my videos. And it also helps me if you leave your feedback in the comment section below. You can be completely honest. And also, happy Valentine's Day! Hope you enjoyed this day to your heart's content. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!